morning, guys. It's 3:30 in the morning, and I am going to work. So yeah, it's really dark. It's about to get a lot darker. Now it's dark. It's really dark. Yeah. So you can't really see me right now, but you'll be able to see me in a minute. So, yeah. But you guys have a really good time, and I will see you guys on my break. Bye. Hey guys, you can see me now. It's a very early break I'm having today, so it's still kind of dark outside. But there we go. So, go outside. Oh, it's very cold as well. So, I'll have to sit like here. Look at that lighting. That's actually kind of cool. So, yeah. Anyway, today is going to be a little bit of a better vlog than yesterday's and the day before obviously. So pretty much I don't really know what I'm going to do today, but today's going to be a bit longer and I'll probably just ramble on about shit still. So yeah, but I am actually going to be catching up with a friend. Her name is Ebony, and she is going to join me in a video one day, and I just need challenges, I think, to do. Like, I want to do a challenge, but I'm just not too sure what to do. I think it should be good, but I'm actually trying to recruit more people to do stuff with me. I want to try and do like what Shane Dawson has on his channel also, and do like a what the fuck news like he has, but something different, like a kind of a news thing, but I don't really want to copy kind of thing. So, you know, but look at my eye, really off track. I actually got my eye, it's really sore. Yep. Anyway, I'm thinking of recruiting some more people for my channel. That may sound kind of weird, but yeah, I just need more people in this channel. I'm thinking at least like someone to do. Yeah, I reckon news would be good though. Like someone to do like a news channel thing on it, and the weather report. Nah, joking, it's not a news channel. Yeah, so I think that'd be kind of cool, like, and have like different people to do different things, you know? So yeah, I think something to do with music would be cool too, because music's good. But so yeah, but I am also doing one other thing, and I can't tell you guys what it is just yet. You guys will just have to wait, but I can give you hints, and it is a TV series. I can't tell you what it's about though. I'm doing a little series. That's all I can say, is a little series on here. And that's all I can say. I'm not going to say anymore. But yeah, I'm just planning it out and stuff at the moment, and it should be pretty cool. But yeah. So that's pretty much that. I haven't really got nothing else to talk about, so I'll just talk about just anything random then. Random things about me. Okay, so something random about me is I love orange juice pulp. Absolutely love it. The stuff at the bottom of the carton of orange juice, the really thick orange stuff, it's the best bit. Seriously, it's the best part of it. I wish you could buy it as it is, like that, because it's so good. It may sound weird. Something else that's like really random and weird about me is I'm scared of seawater. Actually, I think I've already mentioned that in one of the other videos, but yeah, I am terribly terrified of seawater. I am actually petrified. I hate it, because like when you're in the boat or something and you can see the water kind of like moving up and down, and it's just kind of going, just wavy kind of thing. It's just something I don't want to be in, and it just looks deep and mysterious, and it's just that I don't know, I just don't like it. But yeah, something else that's really weird and random and wacky about me is nothing else really. Yeah, nothing else really. I'm just quite normal. Quite normal, yeah. Oh, actually, I ordered the t-shirt yesterday online. I actually custom made it, and it has a design on it that's kind of cool, and I actually want to sell them and stuff. It's actually really awesome. This is the design. I'll show you. See what it looks like. I got that on a t-shirt. But it's kind of cool. Don't you reckon? Yeah. Who would actually buy that? So I don't really know. I would. I guess. Obviously, I've just bought one. I think that's pretty cool. So yeah, I can't believe I bought that. That's crazy. Hey guys, what's going on? I finished work, and yeah, it was a pretty smooth, cruisy kind of day. Owen's gone to the Riverland to do work experience, and I'm gonna go home. And Doobie was just, well, Callum was just working with me, so that was cool. Yeah, yeah. And I would like to announce I've got 27 subscribers. Yeah. Yeah, I'm slowly getting there. I just need more. I just need so many more subscribers. Like, seriously. Anyway, I'm gonna go home and I'm just gonna chill out a little bit, and I'll see you guys after. Bye. So I'm just chilling here, and it's a nice temperature. So I took my jumper off. Look at that. That's cool. Yeah. But yeah, Levi's got my bike. I don't know where he's gone. So yeah, I'm just gonna do a quick vlog now. I had a sleep for about 2.5 hours. That was nice. It was really nice. Yeah. So yeah. Oh man, just really fucking tired. And look at it. There's the Bulgarian Prime Minister right there. Ask him for himself.
Bulgaria doesn't have a Prime Minister.
Fuck off, they do so. In the Middle East. I reckon. Nah, I don't know. Just put in the comments where Bulgaria is. By comments, I mean Joshua Pearson. He comments on everything. Kid that comments on my stuff. He's like 12. Hey? No. We went through this in my last vlog, bitch. Yeah. Just gonna. Did you hear that? Skid? I think someone did a skid. But yeah, anyway, I'm gonna end the vlog here because there's not really much else to vlog about today. So just don't forget to like, subscribe, rate, and comment. Yeah, that's pretty much it, I reckon. And stay tuned for tomorrow's vlog. Donnie, what's going on? Donnie, what's going on, you fucking doggo? Walking in the bakery. I do. Hey? Where are you?
You see him?
Yeah. That's Taylor. Tay, she's my best.
What are you doing?
It's my vlog.
I'll see.
Have you seen my vlog?